Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm just replacing the air filter on my Ford Territory. It's a pretty simple job. There's the air filter location there. There's 4 clips holding it in. There's my new filter. Okay, so 1, 2, so there's 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so 2, 3 and 4. Once you've got those 4 clips off, it's just a matter of lifting this up. This comes out like that. Move it to the side, and it shows a filter. There's my filter, old one. It's pretty dirty. I think it's been in there for 3 years or maybe just under, so it's very dirty. There's some dirt down there, so I might just get the vacuum cleaner in there and get that out as well. Okay. Okay, got it nice and clean in there now. Things can be. So the model, the part number for these is normally on there. So there it is there for this Ford Territory. 2008 model is this is a Ryco filter A1575, and that's what I've got here. A1575. Now when I open the box, I can see the design. So that's the new one. So it's still an A1575, but so that's it there, but still same shape, as you can see, same design, the shape. It's got the, you can see it's got a curve at the top there, one big curve. So I think that's that one there. Is it? That's the curve. And that's the curve on there. See that? So it's the correct filter. It's just they're just gone with a different design by the looks of it for Ryco. So let's place that in again with that curve, and the curve at that end. Make sure it's in place correctly, sitting. That feels right. And put the lid back on, so to speak. Make sure everything fits and is in place. Looks good. The clips go in place easily enough. Then you know, remember to close all 4 clips. Then you know that it's fitting properly. Okay. That's it. This one's a bit awkward. This one's a bit awkward to get to. I'll find out for a sec. Now you can open it up just to make sure everything is sitting right. Mine's sitting right, and it's just awkward to get this one in. So you can use a screwdriver for leverage. And where is that? Push down on the filter. And it clicks in. The rest are pretty easy to get to. Okay. And that's it. That's just replacing the air filter in your Ford Territory. Thanks guys. Throw the rest away. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.